Here I have Motorola Moto E6i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can enable adaptive battery, limit battery for apps that don't use often. You can also set up power saving optimizations, like you can choose battery saver if you want to use this smart saving mode or the power saving mode. You can enable it automatically when low battery. Here you can select at which value of battery it will be enabled automatically. You can also set up a schedule for it. Select start time, end time. And you can also enable automatic exit in power saving mode when charging. Wow. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.